Hello, welcome back. Another video, this time in nature. Beautiful Polish nature. My name is Miko, I'm Maria Dawidowski. I haven't done a video in quite a while. So, we'll start from the basics. Once again, be yourself, my friend. Be yourself. Realize the perfection of being yourself. For the whole reason why you are alive is the exploration of the self, for the sake of exploration of the self. And once you realize that absolutely every way that you choose to live life is perfect. And once you realize that, then it doesn't matter what you do in life. As long as you have that awareness that your choices of how you choose to express yourself within yourself are perfect. Because then you let go of the judgments, you let go of the shoulds and the musts, because you realize, well, you're choosing. And since you are choosing, that means every choice is perfect in and of itself. And that really lifts a great burden off from you now, doesn't it? Knowing that you're the perfect expression of yourself within the present moment. There is no past self, and there is no future self. There is just the present self, and the present self is the perfect self within itself. There is no better self that used to be in the past that eventually if you sleep enough you're gonna become once again, or if you train enough you're gonna become once again. And there is no future self that you can ever work towards, and if you just become stronger, if you just become better, if you just... Of course, you do things. In the present moment, you choose to do things. And these things will shape you into a certain person with time. But it has to be done from the space of the present moment. You cannot go training tomorrow, because tomorrow doesn't exist. You can go train today, right now you can train. But you cannot train in 1 hour from the perspective of the present moment. And so in the present moment, all of your choices are perfect in and of themselves. And the sooner you realize that, the easier your life will be, my friend. The easier it will be for you to live your life. Because once you accept yourself, once you acknowledge who you are, I've talked about this in my previous videos, check them out if you haven't. You have to first acknowledge yourself, meaning you say, I am this. That's it. No more judgments. It's like, I am this. And it's not bad, it's not good, I shouldn't be anybody else. I am just that. And it's fine. And since I am that, and I am perfect within myself, I can now choose to be someone else. I can choose to express and explore myself in a different way. So now I am Joker. And now I'm super serious. Of course, over exaggeration, but it works. So within the present moment, you always have the ability to change. You are a different person from when you started watching the video. The person who started watching the video is somebody completely else than who you are now, because choices were made. And since choices were made, that means you move yourself beyond yourself within the realms of perception. And as a perception, you expanded yourself because you have decided to make those choices, to keep sitting, to keep listening, to either accept or reject whatever I'm saying. It doesn't matter. But realize that every single moment you're making choices. And the more you realize that fact that you're making choices, then the easier it is going to be for you. Because you realize first that you're making choices, meaning that you're no longer a victim. And then second, that your choices matter, meaning that they have power. And then you become aware of your own power, meaning that once you fully exercise the potential of the present moment as the perfection, then you can be anybody, anyone, at any given time. And right now you could be one person, and the next moment you decide to be somebody else, and you choose to explore and express yourself in a different way. And that is perfectly okay within the self. Just a little ramble to get myself warmed up for the next videos. Blessings be upon you, my friend, and I hope to see you in the next one. Enjoy!